Hello everyone, welcome to lectures by Aparna. Today we will discuss about fundamental loop matrix. It is also called fundamental circuit matrix or tie-set matrix. It is a portion that is coming in network topology or network graph theory. We have already discussed how to convert an electric circuit into an equivalent graph in one of the videos. I will give the link for that video in the description box just below this video. You can check that out if you want to see. Today we are going to discuss about network topology matrices. Network topology matrices. Why are these network matrices used? They will help to keep the data more organized when you keep them as rows and columns, and this will make computation easier. When you use matrix method, complex calculations will become easier. Each of these network topology matrix will give each characteristic of the network. So there are three such matrices in graph theory. One is fundamental loop matrix. Second one is fundamental cut set matrix, and the third one is incidence matrix. In today's class we will discuss about fundamental loop matrix. So fundamental loop matrix is a matrix that helps to find out branch currents in a circuit. Now let us see what is a fundamental loop. What is a fundamental loop? Fundamental loop or F loop is a loop which contains only one link and one or more twigs. One link and one or more twigs. So if you don't know what these terms links and twigs means, please check out the video I have mentioned earlier. Now let us consider a directed graph like this. Here A, B, C, D, E, F are the branches in it, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the nodes in it. Now we are considering a tree of this graph. This is a tree of this graph, of this directed graph. See, D, E, F are the twigs of this tree. How will you draw the core tree? Core tree of this tree. To draw the core tree, you have to draw those branches which are not included in this tree. So let us see which are the branches that are not included in this tree. They are A, B and C. So I can draw the core tree like this. This is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Branch A, branch B and branch C. So this is branch A, this is branch B and this is branch C. This is the core tree of this tree. Now to make the fundamental loop, we have to first consider the tree. So here I have drawn the tree 3 times. Now we are going to include one link at a time. One link at a time to each of these figure. To the first figure I will add link A. This link A I will add. I have added this link A. To the second one I am adding this link B. And to the third one I am adding this link C. So here we have added link A, here link B and link C. When you do so, you will get some loops here. So these loops are called fundamental loops. So here this is the fundamental loop. In this case this is the fundamental loop, and in this case this is the fundamental loop. So we call them F loops. So this is F loop 1 or L1. This is F loop 2 or L2, and this is F loop 3 or L3. If you are considering one tree, it will be having how many number of fundamental loops? It will have the fundamental loops equal to the number of links its core tree is having. So the core tree of this tree is having 1, 2, 3, 3 links. So this tree is having 3 fundamental loops. So when you look at each fundamental loop, you can see that it is made up of 2 twigs and 1 link. Thus we saw what fundamental loop means. Now let us see how to write the fundamental loop matrix or tie-set matrix. It is represented by B. This matrix is represented by alphabet B. So this is a tie-set matrix we are going to write. So write the loops L1, L2, L3 here and branches A, B, C, D, E, F here. You don't literally write these names here when you write the matrix. I am showing this to make it easier to explain. Now let us consider fundamental loop 1 or L1. Take the direction of the loop the same as the current direction in the link. So I am taking the direction of the loop like this, in the same direction of the current direction in link. So here A is the link and D and F are the twigs. So direction of the loop is like this. Now in the tie-set matrix, we have to write the values as, when you look at loop L1, branch A is in the same direction of this loop. So put a +1 here. Branch B is not there. So put a 0 here. Branch C is also not there. So put 0 here. Branch D, the loop direction is like this. Branch D is in the opposite direction of this loop direction. So put -1 here. Branch E is not there. So put 0 here. What about branch F? The loop direction is like this. Branch F is in the opposite direction. So put -1 here. Like this, we have to fill for L2 and L3 also. So this is F loop 2 or L2. The direction of L2 is like this, because the direction of current in branch B is in this direction. So we take the direction of L2 like this, because B is the link and D and E are twigs. So you can fill the tie-set matrix now. At L2 you have to fill for all the branches. Branch A is not there. So put a 0 here. Branch B is in the same direction of L2. So +1. Branch C is not there. So put 0. Branch D. Branch D is in the same direction as the direction of the loop. So +1 here. Branch E is also in the same direction. So +1 here. Branch F is not there. So put 0 here. Now we have to fill the matrix for loop L3. Direction of L3 is in the direction of C, because C is the link here. So the direction is like this. E and F are the twigs. So you can fill the tie-set matrix now. So branch A is not there, so 0. Branch B is also not there, 0. Branch C is in the same direction of the loop. So +1. Branch D is not there, So put 0 here. Branch E is in the opposite direction. So minus 1. Branch F is in the same direction. So plus 1. This is the tie-set matrix that we get for the tree that we chose. So this is how you write tie-set matrix. The number of fundamental loop matrices that a directed graph will have is the same as the number of trees that it will have. Because for each tree there will be a fundamental loop matrix. So these are some of the concepts about fundamental loop matrix. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.